I am Jill from Ups to Daisies. Welcome. Hello. So then I ran around and I found a board. This is fine. This is one of those boards that you can find like at Walmart. And like you're supposed to do something with this side. Well, why can't you do something with this side? You can. So all I did was I took the screw out that was holding the holder and I snipped off the twine. If you have really good needle nose pliers, just pluck out the staples. So I ran around and I grabbed Fun Times and I cut me out a bicycle. I found some stencils, and if I use this like itty bitty section, I can use these little tiny flowers, and there was a couple little itty tiny flowers right there. So, fresh flowers by flowers. I think saltwater taffy, maybe a little French macaron. Top. And both of these. Why not? I'll throw them both in. I'll throw them both in. So, into my little cup here, I'm just throwing a little bit of saltwater taffy. Painting. Have you guys tried these paints at all? Paint Pixie's Magical Chalk Paints are the bomb. Oh, you look at these. Look at these colors. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Alright, I've just got my Frenchy here, and I'm using this because I want to get into this really tight corner, and it's little, and it gets in there. So, that's what I'm starting with. And I'm just going to mist my paints a little, just so they're a little on the liquid side, because I want this to almost be a stain effect. I don't want it to be like solid wood, I want it to be like a stain. So, I'm just going to go in here with just blend it in here. Continuous mist. I'm gonna mist this again. Can you guys? I'm gonna give you guys a really good close-up of this wood so that you can see that it is like a nice wood grain. It's like I'm staining the wood at this point in time because this is raw wood, and so it's just you can see the grain right of the wood in there. So yes, you don't need toxic oil-based stains to work with. You can use water-based products and stain wood. You get an incredible effect. My little French, it's just perfect for these little tight spaces. Alright, we'll add, I forgot which, this would be the bottom, do the top, and that way. I'll add a little bit more color in here. The sky effect is here because this wood graining right here is a gigantic cloud. How do you like them apples? I know technically your sky is supposed to be blue and your clouds are supposed to be white, but go winging it. I like this background. I can't help myself. I'm adding dreamsicle. I can't help myself. Dreamsicle in here. Spritz it around. Go for more of a stain effect. Or like my, almost imagine it like a sandy bottom. I'm gonna let it dry with the help of my heat gun here. And I'm gonna make sure that this is dry before we continue with our bicycle. when I go to paint my flowers, I want to make sure that my flowers are painted. So we are going to throw down some meltdown really quick here. So I'm going to just throw this down, and this stuff is awesome and dries so quickly. Here we have our boxes. So the first coat with the water to be stained. I sealed this. So now I'm going to put my bike in here. Okay. Top, bottom. I will turn it back around for you guys to see. If you have any sort of transformation, and for any weird reason, it starts moving closer and down. If it starts to like come apart, stop taking the top off. Apparently mailmen are not so careful with your transformations. So, if you take the top sheet in a different location and you pull this back at a quite severe angle, it seems to help. Go slowly. And if you happen, it's not happening on this one, but if you were to happen to see another spot that was sticking, go from another angle and come back up. Alright, taking our transformation, and we are going to go. Right? Ooh, did you see how fast I was? Try to hold on to it. They're slick little puppies. They're slippery. As long as I'm not really pushing down on it, I have the ability to slide it around a little bit. A little bit. Now, the beauty of this is I can just paint where it's slightly askewed or missing. So, if for any reason you're part of a transformation or whatever you're working on, if the one little tiny piece happens, it's technically still on my thumb, I could get a little bit more of it off onto the board. Just paint it in. Just paint it in. Finger. Check it, lift. If you see something that's sticking to your transfer paper, put it back down and rub it again. When I was applying it, I heard some pretty good crinkling, meaning it was adhering. Pick it up from this edge. Make sure it's all there. See? And there's just a little spot. Now it's officially completely stuck to my fingers, so yeah, I would be painting that for 100%. Yes! I am painting a little tropical dream. Tiny amounts here. Just for that inner section. Color's not everywhere in all spots, so I'll just take it up to there. A little bit. I'm going to use my glazed donut. Just tiniest amount on here. I would like to point out something on here for you guys. So we know when we were doing our background, it basically is stained effect, right? Because it absorbed into the wood. Just this little tiny bits that I am doing here on the wheel tire. Smallest amount. It is opaque. go in here. There. See, once we put the meltdown on as our sealer, we sealed it, so the staining effect is stopping, so now we have actual painting. It's not being absorbed in there. Oh, has been repaired. I've been grabbing my Joy, which is a very nice and little tiny brush. I wanted these two flowers in particular. They're tiny and they kind of like have stems on them. And I'm going to tuck those up here. I'm putting in like a drop. A drop. How cute are these? We've got some flowers. We have some flowers. Alright, let me grab, ooh, I kind of like these ones too. I don't want to completely wipe out the ones that I just created, so play it by ear and look for the sizes that work. I want to put this one here and that one right there. Now, I want to grab a little sour apple here and make some little tiny leaves and some stems. And you can put them like anywhere because it's really just like make lines. They don't have to actually be connected to anything. And I'm just gonna I say it's a leaf, it's a leaf.